Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Michelle, and today I'm going to be doing an updated review for Benable. So I've been a member of Benable for over a year, and I just want to do a newer, more updated review and share my progress. So the first thing I want to go over is that my lists are still being viewed by people. So as you can see right here, as of today, I had someone view my list, and I think I have less than 10 lists, and I have not created any since. So what's important to note is that I have not been an active member on Benable. I think when I just joined, I was really active the first 3 or 4 weeks, and then that was it. But I did post a review on YouTube, which I'll have it linked below, and I had a lot of people join Benable through my link. So what is really nice to see is that people are still viewing a list I created over a year ago that I did not touch since. Now let's go into the part that you probably came for and you want to know about, and that's how much did I actually make. So let's click on cashback. And as you can see right here, I have $33.07. That is in my earnings right here. I have not cashed out so far. And right here, it says that you need at least $80 to be able to cash out. So obviously, I have not reached that yet. So all these products are the products that have been sold or someone purchased through my list, and I did not promote my list. Now, keep in mind, promoting my referral link is not the same thing as promoting your list. So all these products were purchased simply by me creating my list, optimizing it, and basically Benable sent traffic to my list. Okay. Next section I want to go over is the tune-up section, and this tells you of things you can do to improve your list. So if you have a list with a broken link, it will tell you right here, and you can click on review and fix. It tells you what's missing. It also talks about the mobile app and that it's recommended you download the mobile app. Now, if you don't know what Benable is or how it works, basically Benable is partnered with over 35,000 different brands, and you're able to sign up with Benable and be able to promote products from all these companies. Now, this is a game changer because typically you have to sign up for each individual company, and it's never guaranteed that you're accepted. But Benable is pretty much free for everyone to sign up and promote products. So if you have struggled with getting into different companies for affiliate marketing, I would recommend Benable. Another cool thing about Benable is that they allow you to earn commissions on the people you refer. So this is my referral code right here. So if you want to join Benable, definitely go ahead and click it. I'll have it linked below. You can use a code and you can also use a QR code. Now, as you can see right here, I have referred over 115 people. And I can tell you from all 115 people, I have not earned anything from these 115 people. Why, you might ask? In order to earn commissions, they need to have a list and someone needs to buy from that list. So if you just have people signing up and just not creating lists, it really doesn't benefit you. It benefits them, like just being able to discover the website. But again, you can see I have all these different referrals, but without them creating a list and someone buying from that list, you do not earn any commissions. Now, one of my favorite parts of Benable, or might be my most favorite, is the Discover section. And this is where you can discover different lists for different things. So if you're interested in fashion, you click on fashion. If you're interested in beauty, so I'm going to click on beauty because that's what I'm interested in. And you see all these lists created by different people. So let me go ahead and click on, let's see, let me look for a list. Okay, let's click on this one. So this is what a list looks like. So you want to make sure you have a description for the list and that you also have a description for each individual product. You want to share your experience with the product, why you like that product, or why you're recommending it to other people. So basically, if I see this list right here and I click on one of these products, so let's click on the CeraVe. So when I clicked on that link, it took me to this product. So if I go ahead and purchase this product, the person right here is going to earn a commission. So the process of using Benable is super simple. I think the difficulty comes in referring people that will actually create lists and creating lists on a consistent basis. As I said, I have not been consistent. This requires consistency. So you have to be posting unique lists every day. Set a goal for maybe 5 lists, fresh lists every day. You have to make sure that you try your best to optimize your list, and that means putting description for the list, putting description for each product, sharing why you love the product, why you recommend the product. So these are my lists, and I have 12 different lists. And as you can see, a few of them are optimized. So I have this one, and this one that are optimized. The others, oh, this one is also optimized. The others are not optimized, and that means it requires a little bit more work on my part to make sure each product has a description and that I basically explain why people should want to purchase each product. So I'm going to have the link below if you have any questions about Benable. I'm happy to answer your questions and feel free to join. It is a free platform and it's a good way to get into affiliate marketing and start promoting products. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and tell me what kind of videos you want to see.